Welcome to Middle Ground, home of news and info for Harrison County Middle School.
The word of the day is Bonnie Clabber. Bonnie Clabber is a noun meaning sour milk that is thickened or curdled.
As in when Grandma was a little girl, one of her jobs was to feed the Bonnie Clabber to the chickens. Ew.
And now here's what's going on at HCM.
Tennis regional finals are today after school, right here at the Hilltop Tennis Courts. Students are to take their spring picture packages home to their parent or guardian. All pictures not bought must be returned to school. Band Christmas concert DVDs are in. Students who ordered Christmas concert DVDs need for their parents to pick them up at Central Office, 308 Webster Avenue.
Breakfast on Tuesday is your choice of breakfast pizza, yogurt box, whole grain Pop-Tart, or whole grain muffins, cereal, fruit bowl, and juice.
For lunch Tuesday, we have a choice of popcorn chicken, Salisbury steak with gravy, chef or popcorn chicken salad box.
Or yogurt box, mashed potatoes, green beans, fruit bowl, red white grape cup, or wheat roll.
On breakfast Wednesday is your choice of scrambled eggs, bacon and toast, yogurt box, whole grain Pop-Tart, or whole grain muffin, cereal, fruit bowl, and juice.
For lunch Wednesday, we have a choice of Italian spaghetti with garlic breadstick, chef or popcorn chicken salad box.
Or yogurt box, California blend veggies, tossed salad with dressing, fruit bowl, or fruit smoothie.
And remember, we have salads available for lunch every day.
If you have any good news or events to share, please notify Mr. Markley or Miss Hurd.
Did you hear about the chickens that wanted to take ballet lessons?
No.
She wanted to be a entertainer.
That's all we have today from all of us at Middle Ground. Have a great day.
The good old days, the honest man, the restless heart, the